Hi guys, so I'm home. I just got home and I'm gonna be doing my night routine. Yesterday I didn't get to post a video, so I really want to post a video. So I'm just gonna do a simple night routine. What I'm gonna be doing for today. This is not a she's a part of my routine. So I just got home. Normally I get home in the dark time. As you can see outside there's no light. So first thing I'm going to do is use the bathroom. Then I'm gonna eat something. Charge, so yeah, so yeah. I just took a shower, so I'm now brushed teeth, and yeah, I brushed my teeth already. I'm gonna head into bed. So took off that pillows already. I'm so tired, it's not even funny. So I'm gonna just hook up my fan, drink my water, and go to bed. Good night, sister. Good night.